I'm Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies, and we're going to be showing you the bottle-shaped cutting boards.
Right after this. And we're back. So today we are going to be doing our bottle-shaped cutting board. This is a glass cutting board, similar to our other variety that we do offer at coastalbusiness.com. So what we're going to do is we're going to use our SG800, and we're going to print out of our Sawgrass Print Manager using our sublimation paper. We are not going to mirror our design, so that's key when printing it. Definitely do not mirror. Okay, Mary's going to take us through. So this comes with a box.
And a protective covering. Save this so you can repackage it at the end.
And the little feet. Okay, so again, we did not mirror, so everything is right reading.
All right, we'll line this up. I'll tape it on with the thermal tape. All right, and we are going to set this side up so your paper side down. And we'll cover it with some silicone and our rubber mat. And we're going to be pressing at 400 degrees for 5.5 minutes, medium pressure.
So we always recommend the silicone mat that we placed on top, which is the gray mat, for a lot of ceramics and glass. It just helps distribute the heat evenly across the image, so if you get fading or inconsistent results, try the silicone heating pad and hopefully it'll fix your problem. This also has a nice little hole, so if you want to use it for decorative purposes and not a cutting board, you can certainly hang it to a wall or another substrate, or you can place on stands.
All right, and you're going to want to remove it immediately. And definitely wear gloves because it's going to be very hot.
And there you go. Now you have one personalized bottleneck cutting board. So again, these do come with 4 individual feet, so you can place them appropriately however you would like on the cutting board, on the back of the cutting board. And again, they do come with a bag and a box. You can definitely just repackage this back up and give it to your customer. We also have product instructions and templates available online at coastalbusiness.com. Thank you for watching our video tutorial, and we will see you next time.